fam, that's what they call me. I'm promised that.
What's up? Good morning. Welcome to day 3 of camping. Out here. Got see that? Got my little pocket knife. Well, not pocket knife, got my little belt knife. Just in case I see a wild animal that I want to stick, put on the fire. Psych. Eating that shit. Got the fire going. About to let it settle for a little bit. About to get some food going. Get some coffee going. All the morning favorites. I'm gonna let y'all see what that's gonna be in a minute. Don't look so nice out today, at least not yet. The campground guy said yesterday that it's supposed to be raining today. So let's hope not. Can y'all hear that sizzle? Got the burgers going on right there. Got a couple dogs up in there. Get some water for the instant mac and cheese, the Velveeta kind. Right there. Right there. And then this joint is a surprise. I don't know what that is. But yeah, last night it was chili dogs, chili cheese dog. Tonight it's burgers and a couple dogs.
We should probably flip them though.
Got the mac and cheese going, Velveeta and shell kind. Got the burgers all ready. Cheese melted on them bad boys. Got the burger bun all set up, dressed, ready to go. That's what it looking like, my people. I'm about to go there. Yes, go there. Oh, wait, hold up. Check this out. Okay, now I'm about to go there. Yum. See that burger? See how big it is? Y'all want a burger better than fast food joint? Holla at your boy. Anyway, I'm about to go there. I'm gonna holla at y'all. I'm about to get it in. This how I like to eat mine. You know, I like my baked beans. I get my baked beans, then I grab my hot dogs. You know, I cut them up and put them up in there. You know, for different flavor. So I like mine. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's good stuff too, y'all. I recommend y'all try this too. Baked beans with hot dog, delicious. It's got to be the beef kind though. It can't be that kind with pork and chicken. I just don't hit the spot. That beef hit different though. Mm. This is great. This is great, guys. I wish I could send you a bite. I wish I could send everybody a bite. Comment down below and let me know what you think. You know, you like baked beans and hot dog, you know, or baked beans and ground beef, burger meat, or whatever. Just comment down below and let me know how you like yours. But for me, it's right here. Mm. Okay, y'all. I'm about to finish smashing. Then I'm going to holler back. One. I don't know. I don't know if I can finish this. I'm going to keep chopping at it, though. Hey, y'all. I tap out. I think I did good. Ate 2 hot dogs, baked beans, and some mac and cheese. And half of the burger. Decided to rain. Rain, rain, rain. All right, guys. So this right here is called a mess. You got scrambled eggs, potatoes, bacon, mushroom, onion, and some breakfast sausage. Delicious. About to put some cheese on it and go to work. 3rd day of camping. Yum. Here it is. This is called a mess. And guess what I'm about to do? I'm about to mess it up. Go there. I'm about to tear up something, Take a look at that. So I already got me a bite ready to go. Got bacon on it, eggs, potatoes, mushroom, onion, breakfast sausage. So I'm about to see what it's like. That's all right there. That's all right. All right, guys. So I'm here, Mel D73. I'm about to smash out. I'm going to holler back at y'all in a minute. So, guys, the rain has stopped. Finally. I mean, it wasn't so bad, It just rained normal rain. I thought it was going to be worse. I thought it was going to be puddles everywhere. I thought it was going to be muddy. I thought all that good old stuff. But anyway, the rain stopped. I'm out here working on the fire. Said, got it going. Out here working on the fire. About to get a little snack together. Camping. What else to do? Chill, relax, sip, smoke, eat good. Holler back at y'all in a minute. Rain stopped just in time for me to get this great meal up in my system. Today, I'm having another hamburger, but I actually got ham on it. Got the baked beans with a little extra in it. And I'm having some leftover mess from this morning. Yum. mushroom, bacon, breakfast sausage, all cooked together with cheese, and it's the bomb. I'm talking about like for real the bomb. I would recommend this for anyone. I would put this on the menu if I had a restaurant. And then right here, I got the hamburger and the baked beans. I'm about to go to work, y'all. Chilling, camping, day 3. Holla. Oh my goodness. This hamburger, it's the bomb. I mean, it's like that honey ham or something, but it tastes so good. Look. I'm about to smash, y'all. I'm gonna holler at you, okay? So, guys, this is all I'm able to finish. Got tons of food left.
But you ain't gonna stop.
That's right. This breakfast mess, it's the bomb. Y'all should try that, like, for real, for real. I think I told y'all the recipe already. Try it. If you don't know what it is, go to the beginning of this video and you'll see. But it's delicious. All right, guys, holla back.
Be the finesse, what they call me. I promise that